Well, hello there. Today I'm going to be reviewing some new products, well, new to me, from Cackles Brazil. If you want to see how they work for me, stay tuned. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and I thank all of my roses that continue to come back to my channel time and time again. But if you see those rose petals dropping and haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, go ahead and do so. Get it on out the way. Join us in the rose garden where we're growing and glowing. So today we're working with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I am going to go ahead and try out two new products I received from Cackles Brazil to give my honest review on. So we'll go ahead and do it right now. So yes, my hair is feeling good and soft right now. Hopefully these products keep my hair good and soft. Now let's get into these two products. Okay, so here we go. First up here is the Cackles Brazil Real Mist Leave-In Conditioner with Kapuku butter. Per the label, it says this is used to seal in moisture for frizz control, conditions, protect, and shine. It also states it's for all hair types. Okay, next up here, also from Cackles Brazil, this is part of the Brazilian Oils and Butters collection, Takuma and Akuba. It's the low porosity hair butter, and it states it's for moisture resistant hair. And if you're low porosity, you know how hard it is to seal in that moisture and keep it there. So let's go ahead and get this open on this Real Mist. As you notice, this leave-in conditioner is in a spray bottle, and clearly the leave-in conditioner has to be thin enough to pass through the spray bottle and onto your hair. So let's check out this consistency. Okay, smooths on nicely onto my skin, and look at that shine. That's the first thing I noticed. Okay, now the spray bottle, it does lock and it opens up. So moving on to this hair butter. Oh, nice. Okay, so that smooths on nicely as well onto my hands. I see the shine. Both products will do what I am hoping they will do. So let's get into this application. So as you can see, I'm looking at the spray bottle like, am I doing this wrong? But I'm not. I was hoping the spray bottle will have the product coming out as a spray or a mist, but it's more like a trickle. Either way, this stuff smells so good. I love the feeling of it on my hands, and I'm hoping it just conditions my hair further. That's all I really want. The spray bottle is just extra. Okay, Roses, so you just saw the takedown. You see it, I had no problem at all taking down 6 flat twists, only using the Cackles Brazil Real Mist leave-in conditioner and the Cackles Brazil Low Porosity hair butter. My hair is super duper moisturized, soft and fluffy, and I have the body I need. I am not complaining whatsoever. I don't even normally do flat twist outs, but I mean, so what I will say about these particular products are, again, they are super moisturizing. It was super duper easy for me to smooth on the Real Mist. Oh my goodness, the Real Mist is wonderful. It has so much slip. I was super surprised at how much slip it had actually. So I was easily able to run it through my strands. It made it nice and slick. It's the actual whole reason why I did a flat twist out, because with a flat twist out you need those strands just slipping through the fingers, just slipping through as you're twisting, and that's the only reason. That was a last minute decision thanks to this Real Mist. Okay, so also this stuff smells so good. Smells so good. I smelled in my hair all night. Felt like I was on an island somewhere. It smells so good, and I still have the scent of it in my hair. So it is a lasting scent, at least through day 1. If you like gummy scents, you're gonna love this. Low porosity hair butter, that melts right into the hair and the hand. Once it hits the heat of your hands, it melts all the way down, except for, I did notice like granules in it. So I don't know if that is the consistency it's supposed to be, or yeah, there are slight granules in it, but the thing about those granules, they disappear. So I don't have any flaking or anything like that at all. You saw me use it in my hair just like hair grease. It is stated on the website that it's good for the edges, so you know we're not going to completely give up on the edges. So of course I rubbed in some on my edges, my scalp, and I coated everything from the Real Mist with the hair butter. So these two together, and I could have added one more product, and that is their 5-in-1, I believe. It's so I do have that as well. I may use all 3 just to get even more moisture, but just these together, I'm telling you, I got all the moisture I need. So this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners of 2020. I am telling you. So I am super satisfied, y'all. My fro, I can't see the back, but definition is there, body is there, curls are there, moisture is there. What can I say? So let me know, Roses, have you tried any products from Cackles Brazil before? Not just, you know, type 3, but I'm talking about type 4. We're in a type 4 family over here. Well, I am. So have you tried any of these products for yourself? Have you thought about it but was like, will it even work for my hair? Let me tell you, it will work for your hair. So I'll go ahead and leave down information in the description box. If you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go ahead and do that. Make sure you hit the notification bell so I can have more of my subscribers coming in as soon as the video drops. Whatever I post, y'all coming in first because you subscribe. So go ahead and do that. Share this with someone who's interested in Cackles Brazil, wonder about Cackles Brazil, or just want to see a bomb flat twist out. Okay? Go ahead and do that. And make sure you leave me a comment. If there's anything you want to see on this channel, let me know. And be in my curls. We'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.